Hello everyone. Hope your day have been okay. Let's continue with our editing process. So yeah, the next thing I want to show you now is how to put text behind object and easing in keyframe, adding b-roll and graphics, image and video b-roll. So let's go straight to the point. So how do you put text behind object? So let's go back to our InShot app. We upload our video and then we continue from there. So new. So where's our video? Let me see. I think this is it. So the last time we did clearing up of what is it called, like enhancing the voice. So
Arts and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words in.
so now to put text behind, you have to look at the part of the video that you want the text to be behind. You understand? So let me check the video from the beginning to the end. So I'll see where I want my text to be behind. So let's see.
Arts and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist.
Let's see. I think
Communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures
so. I think this empathy and
and the
understanding.
artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different.
Empathy and understanding. So I can make empathy and understanding come behind him. You understand? So let's go straight. So how do you do that? Firstly, we have to remove our watermark. So after removing the watermark, then let the watermark remove. So the watermark has removed. So after removing the watermark, the next thing you are going to do is to go to text. Look at this text here. Text. So go to text and go to text again, and then write what you want to put there. I think it's empathy, yeah? Empathy. Empathy. Yes. So because it's two words, so you have to write them separately. You understand? So if you want the words to come one after the other, you have to write them separately. So empathy, and then text again. You are going to write another text. Understanding. Understanding. So yes. So meanwhile, let me show you something. You see this text? You can do a lot of things with it. Let me show you. If you come to text here, look at this place. No, sorry. Click on this text. So let's say you click on edit, as if you want to edit this text. You understand? So if you come to this text here, there are a lot of things here. Look at these things. So they are features of the text. You understand? So if you want to change the color of the text, this is color. This is color here. You can see now. So this is color. So you can change the color to whatever color you like. So look, if I click on blue, you can see, any color you like. Look at it. So any color. I get it now. I think this is the color I used. This one. So you can change the color to anything you like. So this one is the font. The font. I get it now. Don't worry. When I get to what is it called? Caption, I'll show you how to bring in fonts, because these InShot fonts are very minimal. They are not much. So you can bring fonts inside this InShot and then use it. For example, this one now, I was the one that brought this font in. This one, I was the one that brought it in. You understand? So I'll show you how to bring font in. You get what I'm saying now? So that is for font, and this one is for the size. I mean, for example, if I increase this now, you can see the size of the word, or increase it to be big or small. You understand? Huh? So you can see now. And then this one is for the space between the letters. This one, that's this one. This one here is for the space between the letters. You see now. You can see if I increase it, the space will increase. If I reduce it, the space will reduce. Why this one is for the space between the words. You understand? Maybe you have another thing written here. You understand? You have another written here. So the distance between this and this, the distance between this and this, that's what this one is for. For example, let me show you something. Okay. So that's the distance. Why this one here is animation? You understand? Like, how do you want the words to come in, you can see, or out, or you understand? Do you want it to come from up, or you want it to come from down? You understand? So for me, I'm not going to be using any of them. I get it now. Or you want the letters to be writing like this or like this? You understand? So it depends on whatever form you want it to be. You understand? So for me, I'm not going to be using anyone. So if you don't want to use anyone, you just click on this place. You understand? So that is that about the text. You understand? So while this color, there is a lot of things I did not show you. Let me show you now. You can work on the border. What does this border here? What does border means? It means that white thing that is written. For example, let me click it. So if I don't want border, I'll just, you can see the white thing as, because I'm reducing it from here. Look, from here. I'm reducing it from here. So you can see it is in 0 now. So if I want to add, you can see the percentage is increasing. So I'll just increase the percentage. I get it now. So that is border. And you can change the color of the border too. You can put any color. You can put red. You can see. You can put black. You can put white. I think I prefer white. Yeah. You can put ash, any color. So whatever color you want, just come and click it here. You understand? This is where you will get the color from. So that is that about border. And then shadow. Shadow means if you want it to have, you know what is shadow now? Normal shadow. You understand? So you can have this X shadow means horizontal shadow. For example, look, if I increase it or reduce it, you can see there's a shadow between it. You understand? So, but I don't think I need any shadow. Y is what? Vertical shadow. Up, that's up shadow or down shadow. You understand? So you see now, look, you can see. So I don't want any shadow. Y opaque means how transparent or thick it is. See, no, not transparent, opaque. That's how the color, the strength of the color is. Are you getting it now? So why this one means what? The transparency. Understand? So I don't need any of them. I'm just trying to show you. So glow, you already know glow. So you can increase it. You can see it is the shiny part, or you can reduce it. So why label? Label means that what? The background. I think I've shown you label before in the free class. So this background, you can see. So any label you use, it is going to show there. You can see. You see. So any label you want, you can use anyone. You can see. So you can try all of them, the one you like. So for me, I'm not using any label. Why opacity means what? The thickness. You understand? You can see. You see. So opacity. So that is that about the text. Yeah. So we can continue now. So understanding and empathy. So let's play it to see where it is. So let's play our video again. So to see where to place it. So that's it. Yeah.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among.
So empathy, I think, is 30 seconds. So we have to bring the text to 30 seconds. So we have to bring it down to 30 seconds. This is where it will be. So this is where they will be. Coming. So split. So let's play it.
Artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding.
So this is empathy. Split.
Artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy.
So
this emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among.
So now we have been able to paste it in the exact place we want it to be. So let's play it again.
Builds empathy and understanding among people from different.
So now this empathy, if I want to increase it, I'll just come here. I get it now, and then increase this place like this. You can see. So now that we have now get to where we want the words to be. Let's play it again.
Empathy and understanding among people.
So now what we are going to do is to put keyframe. I get it now. You can see the word is not there, but we want the word to come from up down. You understand? That's the words to come from up down. So what we are going to do is to put the word up here. So I want the word to come from up to down. Are you getting it now? So come from up to down. So what am I going to do? Let's start with this empathy. So this empathy is going to come from here, down here. You understand? Like down to this place. You understand? So how am I going to do that? I'm going to put keyframe. I get it now. So I'm going to put keyframe at the beginning. So I'm going to put keyframe at the beginning and then move the empathy down here. Are you getting it now? So I move this place to the middle. So let's see now. Let's play it.
Our connection builds empathy and understanding.
What does it matter? I'm coming. Let me remove the keyframe. So I'm going to move it up. Then I'll put keyframe. I'll move it down. No. I've made a mistake. This is what I'm supposed to do. Move it up. So down here. So let's play it and see.
Connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different.
So you can see.
Now connection builds empathy and understanding among people from.
So understanding also. Understanding. I'll move it up here. You can see. I'm going to put keyframe. I'll come here and then I'll move it down. So let's play it and see.
Builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds.
You can see.
Finally,
so, but I don't like the way it's moving. Look.
Connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures.
So I want to, if I want it to be fast, like it should not be moving slow. So there's something we call easing. You understand? So I'll go and add easing. So this is what we call easing. You can see. So what do we mean by easing? Look at this place. This is what we call easing. So just come, just come from here. Sorry. So from here, look at it here. Just come to the end here. I get it now. Then you click on easing. So I'm going to use this one. This one here, I'm going to use it. So I'm going to click it
and understand.
You can see it's different now. So let me show you.
Emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from.
So understanding too. I'm going to put easing. I'm going to put ease. The same
understanding among people.
So you see.
Artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds.
So
finally,
we are through with that now.
Art beauty.
So after we have done that, so what we are going to do is to export this video. We are going to export it. So let's export it. Export. So after we have exported it, then so now it's finished exporting. So you are going to go out of InShot, like you are going to exit it. You understand? So you are going to exit it, this card. So after you have exited, then you are going to upload that video of the one that has the background. That one that has background, you are going to bring it in. I get it now. You remove watermark, definitely. Honestly, I'm tired of this. So now, let's see if it is the one we have brought in. You see? You can see.
Empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds.
So after we have uploaded the one that has the word, then you are now going to go and import. You go to PIP, you bring in that one that does not have any written one. That's the original one that does not have any written one. So you are going to go and bring it in. So all you need to do is to click on this PIP. Look, this PIP. Click on this PIP. You understand? So after you have clicked on the PIP, go and bring in that one that does not have the words. So I think this is it. So after that, then you click on this autofill. It will fill this one. It will fill in the whole page. So after you click on the autofill, then you go to cutout. Let me show you cutout. Go to this cutout. This cutout. So you click it. Then you go to cutout again. I'm coming. Sorry, I think there's a mistake. Let's go back to PIP. We are going to re-add, PIP. We'll add this one, autofill. So you go to cutout, cutout again, cutout. So I think it has cut it out. Yeah, well, it has cut it out. So after it has cut it out, so let's play it now.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they
So you realize that it is two voices that is playing. That's the voice of this first one, this one, and then this one. You understand? So you are going to reduce one voice. That's the voice of this one. So you just come to volume here, and then you reduce it to 0.
allow people
You understand? So let's see.
to express ideas,
So let's see.
empathy, and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds.
So you see now.
Among people from different cultures and backgrounds.
You see, it's very
Empathy
nice.
and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds. Finally,
So we have been able to put the words behind the person. So you can do it the way you like, but that's basically
empathy
how to do
and
that.
understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds. Finally,
So I think we should stop here. In the next video, we are going to be talking about B-roll. You understand? So B-roll simply means this video here we are seeing is A-roll. B-roll means bringing another video or image or graphics. Are you getting that? It's explaining what A-roll is saying. You understand? And that's where the editing would get very, very interesting. You understand? So meet you in the next video. Peace.